In this video I'm gonna show you if your RecyclerView doesn't work, you have to do these steps, and after that your RecyclerView will be worked properly. At the first, go to your setting. At the setting, go to this SDK Manager. In SDK Manager, make sure that Android SDK platform 35 is installed. If it wasn't installed, you have to install this. And after that, go to your project folder here. And here, let's minimize this. And here you can see the Gradle scripts. In Gradle scripts, go to the build.gradle.kts module app. And here, double click. Let's minimize this. And here you have to change into 35 and also change this into 25 and also add this implementation and dependencies this, and after this you have to sign, and after that your RecyclerView will be worked properly. Thanks for your attention, guys, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any question, you can post it in the comment section. Thanks for your attention.